Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to recover TikTok suspended account. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that you have a screenshot of the page where it's saying your account is currently suspended. And if you do not have any access to your account at all, and if you cannot log in, make sure that you secure the screenshot on the page where it says your account is currently suspended. Now you just need to go to the TikTok app on your phone, go to the profile that's located at the bottom right corner of your screen, access the menu option or the three horizontal line located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it and open Settings and Privacy. Now you need to scroll down and look for Report a Problem. Now tap on it. Here you will have a lot of options. You just need to tap Account and Profile. Click on Login and Other. Now what we're gonna do here is to click No and tap on Need More Help. You will need to type I want to submit a ticket. And they will send you a link to submit a ticket. Click on it. Now here you need to provide the screenshot that I told you to secure earlier and just put in a description about your issue. And you just need to click Submit. Now once you're done submitting your ticket, give TikTok a few days. They should be able to reach out to you with a solution. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.